The Iris USA 32 Quart Stackable plastic storage bins from the brand. Iris are an excellent storage solution for individuals and organizations alike. With their clear color and plastic material, these storage bins provide durability and visibility, making it easy to organize and locate items. One of the standout features of these storage bins is their stackable design. This special feature allows users to maximize their storage space by vertically stacking the bins on top of one another. Whether you need to declutter your home or organize supplies in a warehouse, these stackable bins prove to be an efficient and space-saving solution. The Iris USA 32 Quart Stackable plastic storage bins come in a pack of 6, offering ample storage capacity for various items. Their 32-quart size provides enough room to store household items, office supplies, toys, and much more. With 6 bins in one pack, users have the flexibility to categorize items and create a well-organized storage system.